Hi everybody, welcome to Pepperina's World. Today I'm doing a vegan taco salad. Oh my god, it was awesome. First I'm doing a stir fry with red, yellow, orange, and green bell peppers and some onions. And I'm stir frying it with some avocado oil. And then I added some jackfruit and also oyster mushrooms. Oh my god. And here's the taco shell. It said to put it in the oven for 2 minutes. So that's what I did. And I'm cutting up some iceberg lettuce. And now my taco shells are ready. So I got those out of the oven. I purchased some olives because I figured they would taste good in a salad. So I figured, hey, I'm making a taco salad. Why not go ahead and add them in? So my stir fry is ready. So I'm going to get ready to plate my taco salad. So first I'm going to add the rice. And it was really hard trying to hold my cell phone and add rice. And now I'm adding refried beans on top of the rice. And I love black pepper, so of course I'm putting black pepper on it. And my stir fry on top, because I want all my hot foods at the bottom. And now I'm putting the iceberg lettuce on top, because you don't want your lettuce to get all nasty from hot food on top. And I added some cherry tomatoes and my olives. I cut them up fine. And now I'm putting cilantro because I had some and I was like, you know what? That would taste really good. I was just winging it at the end. Oh, and I love lemon, so of course I put lemon all over my salad. So just squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. And of course I keep rubbing because I had already squeezed half of the lemon juice on my mom's salad. Now I'm putting ranch over it. And I'm going to add some jalapenos because I like my stuff spicy. And of course pepper, I love it, so I sprinkle it on the ranch. And this is my final product of my taco salad, my vegan taco salad. It has no meat whatsoever. And trust me, it tasted really good. You guys should try it. Thank you for watching. And as always, please like, comment, and subscribe. See you later.